To send money from India to London, you need to follow a series of steps. First, choose a money transfer service that suits your needs, such as a bank, online money transfer service, or a foreign exchange broker. Popular options include Assisi Bank, HDFC Bank, and online services like TransferWise and PayPal. Next, gather the necessary documents, including your identification proof, address proof, and the recipient's details, such as their name, address, and bank account number. It is essential to ensure that the recipient's bank account is capable of receiving international transfers. Now, initiate the transfer by logging into your chosen service's website or visiting a bank branch. Enter the recipient's details, the amount you want to transfer, and select the transfer method, which can be a wire transfer, online transfer, or cash pickup. You will also need to choose the currency you want to transfer, which in this case is British pounds. After initiating the transfer, review the transaction details, including the exchange rate, transfer fee, and the estimated time of arrival. The exchange rate and fees vary depending on the service provider, so it is crucial to compare rates before making a transfer. Once you have confirmed the details, proceed to pay for the transfer using a debit card, credit card, or net banking. The service provider will then process the transfer and send the money to the recipient's bank account in London. To track the status of the transfer, use the reference number provided by the service provider. This will help you stay updated on the progress of the transfer and ensure that the money reaches the recipient safely. In conclusion, sending money from India to London is a straightforward process that requires choosing a reliable service provider, gathering necessary documents, initiating the transfer, and tracking the status. By following these steps and choosing the right service provider, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free transaction.